This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking your frame and lighting so every take lines up. This prevents jitter when you composite later. Once done, mark 3 to 5 positions on the floor and rehearse timing so moves won't overlap. Record each persona as a separate take, keeping eye lines consistent and leaving brief pauses between actions to give clean edit points. Make sure to keep camera locked and avoid auto exposure or focus changes. This saves hours in post and yields seamless multiplicity. In your editor, stack the takes as layers and align them to a single guide track so reactions match. Then create masks for each layer. Draw a clean mat around the active persona and feather slightly to blend edges. Use position and time keyframes to refine interactions and maintain natural overlap where hands or props approach masked boundaries. Once done, play real time to catch timing problems. Make sure audio cues and visual beats stay synchronized across layers to sell the effect. Finish by color matching and adding subtle shadows or reflections so the clones feel part of one space. Export short test renders at full resolution to evaluate motion blur, edges, and lip sync. This reveals problems you don't see in preview. If you notice bleeding or haloing, tighten masks, reduce feathering in small increments, or add short roto animation to troublesome frames. Finally, export the full sequence with a high-quality codec. This preserves detail and makes further fixes easier if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.